The intangible benefit tactics. Credibility is an intangible benefit you need to build with your prospects. It is a counterbalance to the trust you're asking them to have in you. The more credibility you build, the more trust they will be willing to share with you. But credibility is difficult to gain and easy to lose. Any clues your prospect picks up that undermines your credibility will quickly erode whatever gains you have made. The quality of your design and copywriting can enhance or detract from your credibility right away. But the best design for conversion isn't always the most aesthetically pleasing or artistically creative. Professionalism comes from having design that is consistent and error-free. Copywriting quality is also important for credibility. Your prospects have little patience for grammar and spelling errors. Showing media mentions allows some of the media brands' credibility to rub off on your company, but the credibility value depends on the media publication's brand. Awards and industry reports can add a lot of credibility, especially if the awards emphasizes an important part of your value proposition. Even if your company has won awards that aren't directly related to the product, general business awards can lend credibility to your companies as being a leader in your field. Subaru, for example, have a whole page dedicated to a consumer report reviews that shows how they stack up against their competitors. Their shoppers will give them credit for their kind of confidence and transparency. Articles, white papers, books, seminars, blogs, and other popular content marketing pieces adds to your brand's impression as an innovator and leader. This is often a position taken by a service company like consultancy and agencies. Another trusted technique in a direct marketer's arsenal is the testimonial. But this doesn't mean that you should blindly follow this as best practice advice and plaster your page with testimonials. In some cases, testimonials have hurt conversion rates, especially where they may be perceived as artificial or contrived. Even without written client's testimonials, you may be able to use your client's logo to communicate endorsement as social proof. Using logos is generally more effective than listing client's name. If you have a large customer base, you can test whether it's most effectively used as a primary or secondary value proposition point. Airbnb, for example, uses the social proof of its millions of customers in the landing page headline as a primary value proposition point. You can use all of these tactics as well as others to enhance your intangible credibility, but they won't all work for you. If you think they might, you should test them.